Earth is covered by more than 70% ocean, yet astonishingly, humans have only explored about 5% of it. This means that 95% of the ocean remains an uncharted world, a place that may hide creatures never seen before, gateways to unknown realms, or even dangers beyond our imagination. In the deepest parts of the ocean, temperatures can drop below freezing, pressures can crush a steel submarine, and darkness reigns eternally. This is a world where bizarre creatures glow in the dark to survive, where powerful currents sweep away everything in their path, and where there are depths so extreme that no technology has ever measured their true bottom. These mysteries lead us to some haunting questions. Could there be ancient creatures that have existed for millions of years, yet remain hidden in the abyss? Are there forbidden places beneath the waves, so dangerous that no one has ever returned after entering them? Or perhaps, buried under the cold ocean floor, lie the lost ruins of an ancient civilization, waiting to be uncovered? Today, we dive deep into the unknown to uncover the 5 most mysterious places beneath the ocean. These locations not only challenge science but also send chills down our spines, reminding us of how little we truly know about the world beneath the waves. Are you ready? Let's begin. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean, near the Mariana Islands, a volcanic island chain that belongs to the United States. It is the deepest place in the ocean, reaching an astonishing depth of 11,034 meters, 36,201 feet. A world so extreme that humanity has barely scratched its surface. Astonishing facts about the Mariana Trench. If Mount Everest were dropped into the trench, it would be completely submerged, with more than 2,000 meters, 6,500 feet, of water still above its peak. At this depth, the environment is beyond extreme. Pressure, over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, enough to crush a steel submarine like a soda can. Temperature, nearly freezing, allowing only highly adapted creatures to survive. Eternal darkness. Sunlight cannot penetrate, forcing all life forms to generate their own light to navigate and hunt. The mystery of the strange lights. The unexplained phenomenon. Scientists have reported mysterious flashes of light emerging from Challenger Deep, the trench's lowest known point. The strange part? There are no artificial light sources at that depth, and sunlight is completely absent in the abyss. Where does this light come from? What force or entity could be generating it in such an extreme environment? The unidentified sound, Western Pacific Byong, a deep-sea enigma. In 2016, researchers recorded a strange sequence of sounds lasting 3.5 to 3.8 seconds, originating from the depths of the Mariana Trench. What makes this sound unusual? It does not match any known calls from whales or marine creatures. It features an oscillating frequency, resembling an unknown signal rather than a natural noise. Some experts speculate that it could be communication from an undiscovered deep-sea species. But there's a more unsettling theory. Some believe that this sound could be a warning or signal from something unknown, something ancient, or something beyond human understanding. Could an undiscovered entity be creating these sounds, lurking in the depths of the Mariana Trench? The Megalodon mystery. Could the giant shark still exist? Megalodon, the colossal prehistoric shark, was believed to have gone extinct 3.6 million years ago. However, some theories suggest that it may still be alive, hidden deep within the Mariana Trench. A terrifying discovery. In 2018, a team of scientists deployed high-tech deep-sea cameras to study life in the trench. Upon reviewing their footage, they noticed something disturbing. A massive shadow gliding past the camera. Size, at least 20 meters, 66 feet, long, far larger than any known shark species today. Shape. Its fin structure resembled that of a great white shark, but on a terrifyingly larger scale. Could this be evidence that Megalodon still exists? If there is any place where this apex predator could have escaped extinction, the Mariana Trench would be the perfect hiding spot. What do you think? Has Megalodon truly vanished? Or is it still lurking in the dark abyss of the ocean, waiting to be discovered? Lake Vostok lies 4,000 meters, 13,123 feet, beneath the thick ice of Antarctica, making it one of the largest subglacial lakes in the world. With an area of over 15,690 square kilometers, 6,060 square miles, it is even larger than Lake Ontario in North America. Isolated from the outside world for at least 15 million years, this hidden lake could hold secrets never before discovered by humanity. Lake Vostok, a buried ancient ocean? A shocking theory suggests that Lake Vostok might have once been part of a vast ancient ocean, before it was sealed off by Antarctica's thick ice sheet millions of years ago. If true, could this lake harbor ancient life forms that have remained undiscovered until now? Alien bacteria? The 2012 discovery that shocked scientists. In 2012, Russian scientists successfully drilled through the ice sheet and collected water samples from Lake Vostok. What they found left the world stunned. They discovered a completely new type of bacteria, unlike anything found on Earth. It did not match any known genetic database available to science. This raised a groundbreaking question. Could an entirely independent ecosystem exist beneath the lake, evolving in total isolation for millions of years? If life can thrive in such extreme conditions, does this strengthen the possibility that similar life forms could exist on icy moons like Europa, Jupiter's moon, or Enceladus, Saturn's moon? Mysterious sounds beneath the ice are a sign of something below? When scientists placed acoustic sensors to study the lake, they detected strange, rhythmic echoes that defied explanation. Theories surrounding these sounds include an unknown geological phenomenon, signs of an ancient lost civilization, or something beyond human comprehension lurking beneath the ice. If a hidden world exists beneath the lake, could these sounds be evidence of life? Magnetic anomaly, a buried artificial structure? One of the most mysterious discoveries about Lake Vostok is a strong magnetic anomaly detected in the eastern part of the lake. Magnetometers recorded an unexplained energy source deep beneath the lake. Theories about this anomaly include a massive underground mineral deposit, the remains of a celestial object that crashed into Earth, or an ancient man-made structure, evidence of a long-lost civilization. If this is truly an artificial relic, who built it? And how long has it been hidden beneath Antarctica's frozen landscape? A potential biological threat? Could Lake Vostok contain hidden dangers? Some scientists worry that drilling into the lake could introduce contamination to a fragile ecosystem that has remained untouched for millions of years. But an even greater fear looms. Some researchers believe that Lake Vostok could harbor ancient viruses, frozen for millennia. If released, these microorganisms could pose an unprecedented biological threat to humanity. Are we on the verge of a great scientific discovery, or are we unknowingly opening Pandora's box? The Devil's Sea, also known as the Dragon's Triangle, is a mysterious region located in the western Pacific Ocean, about 100 kilometers, 62 miles, south of Tokyo, Japan. Similar to the Bermuda Triangle, the Devil's Sea is infamous for the unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. It is also one of the 12 vile vortices on Earth, regions believed to have anomalous electromagnetic activity that can interfere with electronic devices. Could this be a forbidden zone where human presence is unwelcome? Mysterious disappearances in the Devil's Sea. 1. The Mongol invasion fleet vanishes without a trace. 13th century. In 1274 and 1281, Kublai Khan attempted to invade Japan by sea, deploying an armada of over 40,000 soldiers and hundreds of warships. But something inexplicable happened. Both invasion attempts ended in complete disaster, with the entire fleet vanishing mysteriously. The Japanese believed it was divine intervention, kamikaze, divine wind, sent by the gods to protect their land. However, modern scientists suggest that a super typhoon or an underwater tsunami may have wiped out the fleet. But if it were just a natural disaster, why were no remnants of the ships ever found? 2. The disappearance of the Ko Maru No. 5 research vessel, 1952. In 1952, Japan sent the Ko Maru No. 5 research vessel, along with 31 scientists and crew members, to investigate the strange disappearances in the Devil's Sea. But within just a few days, the ship completely vanished. No distress signals, no wreckage, nothing. Was this an unfortunate accident? Or did something unknown claim the ship? 3. Fishing boats swallowed by the sea without a trace. Many Japanese fishing boats have been lost without explanation while passing through the Devil's Sea. Survivors of near disasters reported seeing strange lights in the sky just before their radios stopped working. Others described how the ocean suddenly became violently turbulent, as if something enormous was rising from the depths. Is the Devil's Sea truly a forbidden zone where the normal laws of nature cease to exist? Conspiracy theories about the Devil's Sea. 1. UFOs and underwater bases. In 1957, a Japanese fishing boat crew reported seeing an unidentified flying object, UFO, crash into the sea. Moments later, the water became extremely turbulent, as if a massive object was moving beneath the surface. Some theorists believe that the Devil's Sea may be hiding an underwater UFO base, where extraterrestrial beings conduct their operations. Could alien activity be responsible for the unexplained disappearances in this region? 2. Electromagnetic disturbances and geological anomalies. Ships passing through this area often experience navigation failures and electronic malfunctions. Some scientists suggest that submarine volcanic activity could be causing the strange electromagnetic interference. But if it's just natural phenomena, why have so many vessels disappeared without leaving a single trace? 3. A gateway to another dimension. One of the most controversial theories suggests that the Devil's Sea is a portal to another realm or a parallel universe. Ships and planes might not be sinking but rather being pulled into another dimension, explaining why no wreckage is ever found. Could it be possible that those who have disappeared are still alive, trapped in an unknown world? Is the Devil's Sea just a perilous ocean zone, or is it a hotspot for supernatural activity? Off the coast of North Bimini Island in the Bahamas, submerged beneath the crystal-clear waters, lies a mysterious structure known as the Bimini Road. Location: North Bimini, Bahamas. Size: over 800 meters, half a mile long. Structure: a formation of massive, evenly shaped limestone blocks, resembling an ancient man-made road or wall. Could this be the remains of a lost civilization? A natural phenomenon? Or is it linked to the fabled city of Atlantis? What makes the Bimini Road so mysterious? Discovered in 1968, the Bimini Road has puzzled scientists, historians, and explorers for decades. The formation consists of huge rectangular and polygonal limestone slabs, each perfectly aligned as if placed by human hands. The blocks appear to be arranged in a deliberate pattern, similar to ancient roads or walls found in ruins worldwide. Some researchers believe that beneath this road, additional stone structures lie buried, hinting at an even greater mystery beneath the ocean floor. If this is a natural formation, why does it resemble ancient architectural designs? And if it was built by humans, who created it and when? Could the Bimini Road be linked to Atlantis? One of the most intriguing theories is that the Bimini Road could be the last remnants of the lost city of Atlantis, a legendary advanced civilization said to have sunk into the sea thousands of years ago. The discovery of the Bimini Road matches predictions made by the famous psychic Edgar Cayce, who claimed that Atlantis would be found near Bimini in the late 20th century. Some researchers suggest that these underwater structures may have once been part of an ancient port, temple, or city streets, later submerged due to rising sea levels. The presence of carved stones, circular formations, and additional sunken ruins nearby further fuels speculation that this was once a thriving civilization lost to time. Could the Bimini Road be the missing link that connects our world to an ancient, forgotten past? Scientific explanations: a natural phenomenon or man-made structure. While many believe the Bimini Road is evidence of an ancient civilization, geologists and marine scientists offer a different perspective. Some experts argue that the structure is a natural formation, created by the fracturing and erosion of beach rock over thousands of years. Analysis of the stone composition suggests that the slabs formed naturally through a process called tessellated pavement, where rocks split into geometric shapes over time. However, some researchers insist that the precise angles and arrangement of the stones are too perfect to be purely natural. If this was just a natural formation, why does it resemble ancient roads and walls so closely? Could both nature and human intervention have played a role? Alternative theories: a portal, ancient technology, or extraterrestrial influence. Beyond the conventional explanations, the Bimini Road has been linked to several fringe theories. An energy vortex? Some claim that Bimini is part of the Bermuda Triangle, where electromagnetic anomalies occur, possibly indicating the presence of ancient energy sources or lost technology. A connection to extraterrestrials? Some theorists believe that the Bimini Road may have been created using advanced technology from an unknown civilization, or even extraterrestrial intervention. A gateway to another dimension? A few researchers speculate that underwater formations like this could be portals or remnants of an advanced knowledge system lost to history. Could the Bimini Road hold secrets about Earth's forgotten past, or even connections to otherworldly civilizations? Diver Kahachiro Aratake was conducting a routine survey off the coast of Yonaguni Island, Japan, when he made a shocking discovery: a massive underwater structure. The formation featured staircases, terraces, corridors, and large rectangular stone slabs, arranged in a way that strongly resembled the ruins of an ancient civilization. Location: Yonaguni Island, Okinawa Prefecture, Japan. Size: over 50 m long, 20 m wide, and 27 m high. Structure: flat surfaces, staircases, terraces, and precisely aligned stone formations. Is this an ancient city lost to history, or simply a natural geological formation? The shocking discoveries: a structure resembling human-made architecture. Archaeologists and divers who explored the monument noted some unusual features: massive staircases with steps of nearly identical size, terraces and corridors, arranged like the foundations of a vast complex, rectangular and right-angled stone formations, stacked in a way that mirrors ancient construction techniques. Evidence of a lost civilization? Further investigations revealed even more intriguing details: carved symbols resembling ancient scripts, possible roads and channels leading to and from the monument, vertical stone pillars resembling temple columns. If this was purely a natural phenomenon, why does it bear such a striking resemblance to man-made structures? Could Yonaguni be the remains of an ancient city? One of the most compelling theories suggests that Yonaguni was once a thriving city before being swallowed by the sea thousands of years ago. Some scientists estimate that the site could be over 10,000 years old, possibly from a prehistoric advanced civilization. Japan has many legends of sunken kingdoms and lost lands, leading some to believe Yonaguni is the remnant of one such forgotten world. Professor Masaaki Kimura, a leading marine geologist, claims that there are clear signs of human intervention, such as tool marks, carved inscriptions, and pathways surrounding the site. If this was once a city, who built it? And what catastrophic event caused it to disappear beneath the waves? Scientific explanations: natural formation or human-made. Not everyone believes that Yonaguni was built by an ancient civilization. Many geologists argue that the structure is a natural rock formation, shaped over time by natural forces. Some scientists claim that the rock formations are simply sandstone layers that fractured naturally, forming step-like patterns. Thousands of years of underwater currents, tectonic shifts, and erosion may have sculpted the monument into its current shape. However, even within the scientific community, opinions remain divided. Some experts argue that certain features are too precise and symmetrical to be purely natural. If this is just a geological formation, how do we explain the staircases, corridors, and what looks like an ancient temple foundation? Could it be a mix of both natural processes and ancient modifications? Theories of Yonaguni: a link to an advanced civilization? Beyond the scientific debate, Yonaguni has also been connected to several fringe theories, ranging from lost continents to extraterrestrial involvement. The lost continent of Mu? Some believe Yonaguni is part of the fabled lost continent of Mu, which was said to have sunk beneath the Pacific Ocean thousands of years ago. Extraterrestrial influence? Some theorists suggest that Yonaguni was not built by humans, but by an advanced extraterrestrial race, pointing to strange symbols and unexplained energy readings from the site. An ancient energy source? There are even claims that the monument could be part of a forgotten energy grid, similar to the theories surrounding the Great Pyramids of Egypt. The ocean. A vast, mysterious world where humans have only scratched the surface. Hidden deep beneath the waves are secrets that could completely change our understanding of this planet. From strange creatures and unexplored regions to scientific phenomena that defy explanation, countless mysteries still await discovery. But the real question is, are we truly ready to uncover these secrets? There may be things lurking in the deep that are best left undiscovered, or places so dangerous that no one has ever returned from them. What do you think? Are there still mysteries in the ocean waiting to be revealed? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue exploring the world's greatest mysteries. See you in the next adventure.